Hey guys, welcome to Tech Teaching. Today we will going to learn how to set up Cordova in your machine. First of all, what is Cordova? Cordova is an open source tool which is used to develop hybrid apps using web technologies like HTML5, jQuery, JavaScript and CSS. Hybrid apps in the sense an app which is cross-platform which can run in Android, iOS and Windows. So let's get started. To install Cordova, first of all, you need to have Node Package Manager, which you can download from nodejs.org. As you can see, you can download whichever flavor you want. After successful installation, you can verify the same in your command prompt by typing npm hyphen hyphen version, which will give the node package details. After npm installation, to install Cordova, you have to type a CLI command in our command prompt, which is npm install -g Cordova. Here -g is global, which will allow Cordova to install in all the users. You can ignore the warning messages. After successful installation, you can verify the same using Cordova-v, which will give the Cordova installed version. Okay, now we have successfully installed Cordova in our machine. In the next video, we will learn how to create a sample hello world application using Cordova tool.